Ella's Beef Easters, Radio Aircheck, and Classic TV channel.
I'm Julia. We're LA's party station, the new 97.1 now. I'm getting out of here. Enjoy the rest of your Monday. And keep in mind, we only have 3 of those left of 2021. Here's Happier. KNOU and HD, Los Angeles.
Hi, Mariana from Burbank.
Alexandra, and I'm from Orange.
Like a party in my car. All the best songs.
LA's party station, the new 97.1 now. An Audacy station.
If you don't wanna see me, did a full one. I need you to stay,
Hey, LA, it's Ariana Grande.
Hey, it's Bad Bunny.
Hey guys, it's Doja Cat on LA's party station, the new 97.1 now.
Innocent say I keep a check. She was a bad, nevertheless. Calling it quits.
For over 100 years, some of the most important events
George Walsh reporting KNX News.
Recognize a state of war between the United States and Germany.
The Japanese have attacked Pearl Harbor, Hawaii by air.
life-changing moments
Dr. Martin Luther King died tonight in Memphis, Tennessee.
Senator Robert Kennedy has been shot.
Mr. Simpson is still in the vehicle.
have happened on KNX 1070
All step for man.
when LA was rattled by earthquakes.
KNX 1070. Our building is beginning to shake here in Hollywood.
438 now, a little bit of an
There's another
aftershock coming in.
Now. Please be prepared for more shaking.
Landslides along Pacific Coast Highway.
Had at least one freeway collapse.
When wildfires threatened
Crews now dealing with multiple wildfires across Southern California.
Unforgiving, relentless wind gusts.
Watching an intense fire battle.
We got flames about 70 feet over my head.
KNX is the place Southern California depended on.
4 LAPD officers are acquitted of all charges in connection with the meeting of motorist Rodney.
The United States has conducted an operation that killed Osama bin Laden.
For 100 years, you listened to KNX 1070.
This is a case where they're trying to steal an election. I'm confident he knows he hasn't won.
And just like the news changes every day,
have more than 10,500 confirmed COVID-19 cases.
we're about to change now
We stand at an inflection point.
and for the next 100 years.
Now is when the real work begins.
You're about to hear KNX in a whole new
Black
way.
Lives Matter protests take place all across the United States.
People getting in the fight, it's just all of a sudden got quite violent.
You'll hear KNX crystal clear and static free on 97.1 FM.
And available
To see the
everywhere.
video, go to our Instagram or Twitter feeds at KNX News.
Begin with Dr. Anthony Fauci.
We are obviously dealing with an evolving situation.
This is news.
For a new generation.
My responsibility as president will be to represent the whole nation.
The governor says more federal money is...
Gen X workers have found it tough going.
Still keeping a close eye on the stolen car pursuit.
From Irvine to Santa Clarita.
Widespread racial bias and other problems.
From Anaheim to Sherman Oaks.
We're in the midst of another severe drought.
This is
KNX News.
97.1 FM.
Here we go. For the first time on this side, good afternoon. This is news. This is KNX News, 97.1 FM, Southern California's only 24-hour local news and traffic station. I'm Mike Simpson.
And I'm Karen Adams. Our top local story at 3:03. A renewed effort to recall LA County DA George Gascon is now underway. Organizers gathered at the Hall of Justice to submit a formal notice to the DA.
Those organizers include crime victims, former members of the DA's staff, and victims advocates like Kathy Cady, who accused Gascon of violating his oath of office and state law by not allowing filing of gang or gun enhancements against defendants accused of committing violent crime.